Do all cities have their own tax sales or just the major ones? Hi, this is Julia M. Spencer. I'm a real estate advisor, investor, and your #1 source for real estate advice online. And today we're answering questions from my YouTube subscribers. And one of the questions I had today is, do all cities have their own tax sales or just the major ones? So my answer to this is, it doesn't really matter what city you're trying to invest in or what area you're going to invest in. What you have to look for is if there's a taxing authority. So some cities combine their tax processes with the county, and you would know this best if you already own real estate, or ask your neighbors that do own real estate and just ask them if their taxes are paid together in one lump, like city and county together, or if they're just paying county taxes, or if they have two separate bills each year for their real estate, one for city and one for the county. And that's how you know where the taxing authorities are that conduct the sales. So for example, I have some property still in the city of Macon, Georgia, which is right in the middle of the state of Georgia. And for that city, for that piece of real estate, I only get one tax bill a year, although I'm located in the city and in the county. But what the city and county have done, they have actually combined their taxing process. So it doesn't really matter if it's a major city or a minor city. It just depends if the county and the city combine the way they process and bill you for taxes. And so what you can do to find out how it's done in your city or in your county, just go to the government officials there, probably the tax assessors. You can probably start with the county tax assessors, because this county for sure will have a taxing system. Sometimes the city taxing is combined with the county, and sometimes they're separate. Now, I live here in the city of Savannah, Georgia. I live in an unincorporated part of the city. However, so I don't pay city taxes because I'm not technically inside the city, but I still have a city address. And my tax bill, I don't get one tax for all the real estate I have here. I only get one tax bill. Now, I also have real estate in the incorporated part of the city, which means that I actually get 2 tax bills a year for that real estate. And they're paid to different places, and there's different authorities, and they conduct sales differently. Now, one thing that I've found is that sometimes the city kind of rides on the county tax sales, so they kind of watch what the county is doing and they follow them. So there's never really been an instance where the city was selling their tax lien at the same time as the county. They usually let the county do theirs first, and then you can't have a competing tax sale. The city doesn't like competing with the county. So if there's already a tax deed out there for county taxes, the city normally doesn't bring their city taxes to auction. And this is just how it's done in this particular city, in this county. However, it could be done a multitude ways in other places in the United States, other cities, other counties. So what you need to do is you need to do your research. You need to go and ask the taxing authorities and ask them, basically, do you conduct any tax sales? Is there a separate city tax sale versus county? Are your tax billing and your tax sales combined? Those are all the things that you need to research. Now, you can go to my website today, juliamspencer.com. I highly recommend you subscribe to my newsletter there. Whenever I have questions like this that are kind of in the grayish zone, I explain them also, and I send out informational emails every once in a while teaching people about this. Also, I do have a book, an audiobook out there that you can purchase, and it's called Making Money with Tax Sale Investing. You can go to my website, download it today. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you can get valuable coupons for special offers and some percentages off that audiobook if you purchase it today. However, just go to that website and check that out. And if you have any additional questions, send them to me. You can email me at realestate@juliamspencer.com, or you can just send me a message right here on this YouTube video at the bottom. Now, it takes me a little while to get back to you because I've had a lot of interest in all my audiobooks, and I'm trying to answer all these questions still. I'm kind of like a one-man show here still, and I'm trying to do my real estate as well. But I do want to get to all your questions, and these are some really, really good questions, and I really appreciate that you're actually having them. And go ahead to my website, juliamspencer.com today, and subscribe, and hope to see you investing very successfully soon. Thank you.
For your free guide to real estate investing, visit juliamspencer.com.